My name is Flash Isaac, and I'm a teacher from the future. When I was much younger, I saw thousands and thousands of people fail Jamb and unable to gain admission. This made me travel in time. Now I am back with a Flashlearners Jamb app and a series on YouTube tagged 120 Days to Jamb. My mission is to help you blast Jamb and as well get justice for everyone who Jamb has served breakfast. This is episode number 76 of the 120 Days to Jamb Mathematics with Flash Isaac. In this episode, we shall be looking at questions under geometry and trigonometry, like we've been doing since. And this is almost going to continue till episode 92, if need be. But if there is a change, I will let you know. Now, ladies and gentlemen, let's look at this question. We are asked to look for the value of S. This is obviously S. And this is not a right-angled triangle. Of course, triangles are shapes with three sides. If one of the sides is a right angle, we can talk about Pythagoras theorem, but it will not work here at all. So what do we do? If a triangle is not a right angle triangle and we are asked to find a particular side, one of the law that will save you is the sine law, which says A over sine A is equals B over sine B is equals C over sine C. This law will prove very, very helpful to you. Now look at it. This is angle arrow 75 degrees. This is side small arrow. This is angle P. This side facing P, call it small p, which is S. This is angle Q. In fact, let's define this angle. The sum of angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. Since we have two sides, 75 degrees plus 45 degrees, if you subtract these two from 180 degrees, we will get this side. This plus this is 120 degrees minus 180. Here will give you 60 degrees. So this side will be small q. So from sine rule, you can modify it to have arrow over sine arrow is equals p over sine p is equals what else again? pq over sine q. And what we are looking for is p, which is s. P is s. Do we have everything that we need? Yes. We have P, angle P, but we don't have the side P. We have angle Q, and we have side Q. So let's compare these two, here and here. S over sine 45 degrees is equals Q 6 over sine 60 degrees. S is therefore equals sine 45 degrees times 6 over sine 60 degrees. Now this is where I have problem with you. A lot of us, a lot of you learn to forget. You forget things so easily and so easily. Recently, I taught you the trig ratio, how to get sine 45 and sine 60, and I gave you the values of all these trig ratios. But now, some persons will still be wondering, what is sine 45 degrees and what is sine 60 degrees without calculator? I already taught you that. Times 6 yes is equals 6 divided by root 3 This is s is equals root 2 over 2 times 6 divided by root 3 over 2 is 6 times 2 over root 3. That should give you 12 over root 3. So multiplying here, s will be 12 root 2 over 2 root 3. This is our answer. But let's see the form in which they gave the options. The options are also given in form of surds. Now let's look at something. 12 divided by 2, that is 6. So this is the same thing as 6 root 2 over 3. If you multiply up and down by root 3, we should be able to get something like this. 6 by root 3 times 2 by root 6 over root 3 times root 3 is 3. So this will be 2 root 6. So that should be work as a rationalized surd. 2 root 6. Yes, that is correct. Option D is the correct option. Ladies and gentlemen, this brings us to the end of this episode, and I trust you found it interesting and helpful. See ya in the next episode. Take care of yourself.